Wall-mounted bath accessories maximize storage in limited spaces. Take the chill out of contemporary with the warm, muted brushed gold finish of champagne bronze. Long-lasting, durable finish resists corrosion, tarnish, and discoloration. Towel bar measures 2.44 h by 27.86 L and 3.45 d with set screw mounting. Easy installation. All mounting hardware, template, and guide included. Complete your look with the coordinating Linden Bath Collection of aComplete. The look of your bath with this Linden 24 towel bar. Delta makes installation a breeze for the weekend DIY by including all mounting hardware and easy-to-understand installation instructions. You can install with confidence. Tile, masonry-plastic or lead anchors, plaster, drywall-toggle bolts recommend if wood blocking is not available. Rod will be 27-15/16 long in assembled condition and extend 3-1/2 from the wall. Accessories sold separately. Enjoy the look you love for life with Delta's limited lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Love the color. Great color and goes perfectly in my newly remodeled bathroom. The price was the best part. At least 30% less than from the bathroom remodeling store in town.